Hey Kipsters, it's Miss Schultz here. Happy Thursday. I cannot wait to do CGI with you today. We have a really cool problem to talk about. But before we jump into our new problem, we have to find out the answer to our problem from yesterday with Mr. Booker and all those cookies that he had at home. Mr. Booker has 72 cookies at home. 38 are chocolate chip and the rest are Oreos. How many Oreos does Mr. Booker have? I chose to do subtraction to solve this problem. I took my larger number, my total of 72, and I subtracted 38, and I got an answer of 34. Give me a brain match if you also got 34 as your answer. Nice job, kiddos. Okay, so I'm going to move this out of the way, and we are going to jump in to our new problem for today. Our new problem today is about something that Ms. Schultz saw on her walk that she took this morning. I took a walk this morning, as I do every morning, and I was outside, and I noticed this really giant tree. And I counted all of the leaves on that tree, and when I counted that there were 58 leaves. It's a lot. I stood there counting for a long time. But then this big wind came, and it blew away some of the leaves. And when I counted again, there were 29 leaves left on the tree. So what I need you to help me figure out is how many leaves blew away when that big wind came. Let's go ahead, let's uncover it and read it together a couple of times. Awesome. There are 58 leaves on a tree. Some of them blew away. Now there are 29 leaves on the tree. How many blew away? Let's read it one more time together. There are 58 leaves on a tree. Some of them blew away. Now there are 29 leaves on the tree. How many blew away? Your turn. Get ready to tell me. All right, Kipsters, let's hear it. Let me hear that story. Yes, nice job. All right, so before we go and solve this problem, I have a question for you. Do you think that more or less than 58 leaves blew away from the tree? Let me ask you again. Do you think more or less than 58 leaves blew away from the tree? Get ready to show me on your hands. 3, 2, 1, shut. Some of us say less, some of us say more. Let's solve to find out. As always, getting out a pencil and paper, showing your work on the paper, labeling all parts, getting a number sentence down in the end. You have 4 minutes. Let's uncover this problem. All right, Kipsters, 4 minutes on the timer. Go ahead and get started. Wow, nice, neat, and organized work. Don't forget to label all the parts of your problem. Great job, Kipsters. Keep up the great work. If you're done, try to solve it again in another way. Don't forget to write a number sentence. All right, Kipsters, about 1 minute left until you help me solve. Almost time to help Ms. Schultz solve this problem. All right, my friends, I am so excited to see how you chose to solve this problem and to show you 2 ways that I chose to solve. I'm sticking with those same strategies that we've been using lately. First, I'm going to do subtraction, and then I'm going to add up. So I'm going to start with subtraction. It means I need to start with my bigger number and lay out those cubes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, take away 2 from a 10, that's 8, 58. Great. Now I know that some of them blew away, so I don't know that part, but I do know that 29 is one of my parts, so I'm going to take that away to find my missing part. So I need to take away 29. Let's start by 10s. Take away 10. Take away 20. This is 8. So it's not enough ones for me to take it away. So 8, I would need 1 more to make 9. So I'm going to take away 8. And 1 more means taking away 9. So that leaves me with 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Wow, that's pretty interesting. One of our parts was 29 and the other part was also 29. Let's see if we can draw that and represent it on our paper. So, started with 58, and we took away 2 10s first from the 12. 10, 20. Then we needed to take away 9 1s. This was 8 1s, and I needed 1 more to mean taking away 9. And this also became a 9. So I had 10, 20, 29. 58 minus 29 equals 29. Pretty cool. All right. The second way that I said I was going to solve this was by adding up. So I'm going to start with my part that I do know, and I'm going to add up until I get to my total. So let's start with that. 10, 20. This would be another 10 would make 30. Take 1 off, makes it 29. Great. I'm going to add up, and I'm going to decade count like we've been working on. So I have 29, 39, 49. If I did 59, that would be too many. So I don't need a whole nother 10. This is 59. If I added a 10, I only need 58. I'm going to take 1 off of my 10, and that will get me to 58. So I started with 29, 39, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. And this was 9 1s. All right, let's draw that and make it match. All right, so I started with 29, And I'm going to add up starting with tens. Decade counting. 39. 49. Couldn't add another 10, but I did add 9 ones. Now I just have to label. So I have 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and 58. So I added 10, 20, 29. So I know that 29 plus 29 equals 58. Very nice, Kipsters. That is a pretty cool math problem. So I'm going to cover it back up. And as always, I'm going to give you one final problem to solve on your own. All right. There were 47 butterflies outside a window. Some flew away. Now there are 28 left. How many flew away? I'm going to leave this out for you so that you can copy it down, solve this problem on your own using the strategies we've been working on. Can't wait to go over it with you next time. Bye, Kipsters.